Hello everyone, and welcome to my first YouTube video. And today I'm gonna show you on how you can enable Zotero plugin for WPS Office on Linux. So I already have Zotero installed on my Linux system, and I already have WPS Office. So I want to use this Zotero on WPS. As you can see, there is no menu for the Zotero right now. So how do I do that? Even though if I already installed the Zotero on LibreOffice, and it does work on LibreOffice. Let me show you. Here, it works on LibreOffice, but this is not what we want. We want to install this for WPS. So the way you do that is you go to this repository. Let me show you. You just need to type WPS Zotero, and there is that GitHub repo on the top of the page. I will give the link in the description in case you cannot find the repo. So you just need to read the guidance on how you can install this. First, you need to make sure that Python 3 is installed. Let me check if I have Python 3. So that's my Python 3 version 3.12. I have Python 3, so that's good. So next step is to download the repository. You can download the repository through zip, or you can clone the repository with git command. For me, I'm using GitHub CLI. So let's download this repository. I'm gonna put this inside the download folder. There we go. As you can see, I already downloaded the repository. Let's go inside, and then next step is to run this file, this one. So you just need to run this file, install.py. There we go, it's done. You can now restart WPS Office, and let's open document. There we go. Now we have Zotero menu. But you need to know that in order for you to be able to add the citation, you need to make sure that Zotero is running. Let's close this Zotero. As you can see, we cannot use the plugin because Zotero is not running. Now let's run Zotero. Let's say I have a paragraph. This is just a gibberish, and let's add a citation for it. You can use your citation style as usual, and then you can choose your reference. There we go. And if you want to add bibliography, you can just click on this button, and now you can do your assignments on Linux system on WPS.